The Tesla Model 2 is Tesla's highly anticipated entry-level electric vehicle, designed to make sustainable transportation more affordable to a broader audience. Expected to be the brand's most budget-friendly option, the Model 2 is set to redefine the compact EV segment with its cutting-edge technology, impressive range, and minimalist design. This vehicle aims to provide an affordable alternative to Tesla's premium lineup without sacrificing the innovation that has made the brand a leader in the industry. Starting with the exterior, the Tesla Model 2 embraces the brand's signature sleek and aerodynamic design language. With a more compact body compared to the Model 3, it features a futuristic, smooth silhouette, free of unnecessary embellishments. The absence of a traditional front grille enhances aerodynamics, improving efficiency and range. The LED headlights are slim and aggressive, contributing to a modern yet sporty appearance. Tesla's flush door handles, a design feature seen in its other models, ensure a clean and seamless look. The rear end is equally stylish, with a minimalistic approach that includes a full-width LED light bar, giving it a distinct and premium feel. The Model 2 is expected to be available in various color options, keeping in line with Tesla's contemporary aesthetic. Performance-wise, the Tesla Model 2 is rumored to come with both single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations. The base model is expected to offer a respectable 0 to 60 mph acceleration time of under 7 seconds, while the performance-oriented version could achieve the same in under 5 seconds. Tesla's advanced battery technology ensures that the Model 2 will deliver a competitive range, with estimates suggesting it could exceed 250 miles on a single charge. Equipped with Tesla's regenerative braking system and an efficient drivetrain, this car will maintain energy efficiency while delivering an engaging driving experience. Handling and agility are expected to be refined, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting and highway driving alike. Stepping inside the Tesla Model 2, you are greeted with a minimalist yet high-tech interior. Following Tesla's philosophy of simplicity, the cabin is expected to feature a large centrally mounted touchscreen that controls nearly all vehicle functions. Physical buttons are minimal, with most controls integrated into the digital interface. The dashboard will likely have a clean, uncluttered look, emphasizing a sense of spaciousness despite the car's compact dimensions. High-quality, sustainable materials are expected to be used throughout the interior, maintaining Tesla's commitment to eco-friendly production. The Model 2 is also rumored to include Tesla's advanced Autopilot and full self-driving capabilities as optional features, ensuring state-of-the-art driver assistance systems. Seating will be ergonomic and comfortable, with adequate space for both front and rear passengers, making it a practical option for daily use. Pricing for the Tesla Model 2 is one of its most exciting aspects. It is expected to start at around $25,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in Tesla's lineup. This competitive price point positions the Model 2 as a direct rival to other budget-friendly electric vehicles while maintaining Tesla's superior technology and design. With potential government incentives and tax credits available in various regions, the Model 2 could become an even more attractive option for buyers looking to switch to electric mobility. Given its affordability, impressive technology, and sleek design, the Tesla Model